Hello everyone, welcome to Learning Spot YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about octal to decimal conversion. Octal to decimal conversion. Octal to decimal conversion. So octal is nothing but a number, any number to the base 8. So decimal is nothing but any number to the base 10. So how we are going to convert it? We'll solve it using an example. So before getting into this video, you should watch my previous video where I have shown any number to the base anything which can be converted into decimal number, that is to the base 10 using the formula. So you please watch that, and if you convince, you'll understand it better in a better way. So in this problem, if you have not watched also, there is no problem. I will explain you in this video itself. So we will take an example problem 54 to the base 8 to the decimal number. So what is the value of this? We'll find it out. So the radix here is 8. The radix here is 8. So for converting any number to decimal number, say let this be 7 be A0 and 8 be A1, etc. A2, A3, A4, etc. So and after the point value, that is 0.4 be 8 A minus 1. So for this conversion to the base 10, we can write it as A1 into radix, that is base 8 to the power of 1. Simply write the value of A1 to the power here. If it is A1, then multiply with 8 to the power of 1. So then add it A0. So the value here is 0. So into 8 to the power of 0. Plus again a to the power of minus 1. So a to the power of minus 1 into 8 to the power of minus 1. If here the number continues, a power minus 2, then multiply with 8 power minus 2. If it is a cube, say if it is 3-digit number, you can write a2 into power 8 to the power of 2. Then it goes on like this. So this is the formula. So now we will solve this problem. So first we will take the number 7 into 8 to the power of 0. Okay. Plus 5 into 8 to the power of 1. Then the number is 4. Plus 4 into 8 to the power of minus 1. You should write it minus 1. Be careful while writing this. This won't start by 0. The value before the point will start from 8 to the power of 0, but after the point value it will only start from 8 to the power of minus 1. They will ask this type of questions in MCQ formats in competitive exams also. So what is 7 into 8 to the power of 0 is 7, plus 5 into 8 to the power of 1 is 8 5 is 40, plus 4 into 8 to the power of minus 1 is nothing but 4 by 8, which is equal to 0.5 plus 0.5. The value of 57.4, which is in octal, the value of that number in decimal format is 47.5. 47.5. This is the value in decimal format. So we'll solve another problem which is little bit lengthy. We'll solve it. 4507.4444 in decimal to octal to decimal. So it is very simple. We will solve it quickly. 7 into 8 to the power of 0 plus 0 into 8 to the power of 1 plus 5 into 8 square plus this is a0, a1, A to A3. This is A minus 1, A minus 2. Simple. So 4 into A cube is the value is A3. So we will write it 8 cube plus 4 into A minus 1 is A to the power of minus 1. Again 4 plus 4 into 8 to the power of minus 2. So 7 into 8 to the power of 0 is 7 plus 0 10 is 0 plus 8 square is nothing but 64. 64 into 5 is nothing but 64 into 5 is 320 plus 4 into 8 cube. So what is the value of 8 cube? So by solving this values, we will get the final answer as 2375.5625. So this is a decimal format. So in next video we'll discuss about hexadecimal to decimal conversion.